Hello guys, it's Rickaquaog here and this is the Vivo Y20 from months ago. Definitely not a crazy exciting phone for most tech heads, but this still has some cool features under 1,000 Ghana cedis. Best under 1K? Let's find out. Straight to design, the Vivo Y20 has a really mid-range kind of look with huge bezels all around and an even bigger chin below. 2019 kind of vibe, that's what this portrays. The back has a nice camera design, trying so much to redeem itself. Like some current phones are doing, this also has a reflective feel when light hits it, which looks kind of cool. And this phone is actually lightweight. To summarize it, when it comes to design, this phone is not going to win any awards when it comes to that department. The right side has the volume rocker and the power button in a nice cutout that makes it really easy to find and also doubles as a fingerprint sensor, which I kinda like. Below you can find a micro USB port, yep, micro USB, a mic, a headphone jack and a single firing speaker. On the left side you can find a dual SIM card tray and an SD card slot. At the back we have a triple camera setup, a flash and a logo down below. The Y20 has an IPS LCD panel at 6.5 inches with a resolution of 1080p with a teardrop notch up top. Colors are just okay, once again nothing crazy, feels a bit less saturated to my eyes, and I didn't find anything in the options to change the screen profiles, and I felt this left me wanting more in the colors department. And not really the brightest tool when it comes to outdoor usage either, but still gets the job done. And people planning to purchase this kind of device in this particular price category won't have any complaints. Sound is quite decent too. Again, nothing crazy. Okay, at this point I feel it's all been down so far, but hear me out. When it comes to the battery life, this is just crazy. This has a 5000 mAh battery and also supports 18 watts of fast charging. The battery already is a 2 days use for me. Getting that fast charging in the box is really cool. You can easily use up your battery when this runs down, and you can also use your phone to charge other devices if you have an OTG cable lying around. This is really cool. Then to the performance. This comes with Android 10 with FunTouch OS 10.5 and a Snapdragon 460. This is an 11nm chipset. This also has the Adreno 610 GPU. My version comes with a 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM variant. You can also get this in 6GB of RAM. When it comes to performance, this is quite decent. This is the Geekbench score. I was able to play some PUBG here, not at the highest settings of course. The performance is one of the great features of this device considering the price point, and for everyday usage this is just going to be okay. FunTouch OS found on this is pretty cool too. Doesn't come with a lot of bloatware on this device. User experience is really cool. This also supports dark mode. Let's talk about the cameras now. For the cameras, this has a triple camera setup at the back, a 13 megapixel wide, a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. For the selfie camera, we have an 8 megapixel sensor here. When it comes to video, this is able to shoot 1080p at 30 frames per second.
I think the camera is pretty good. With the battery normal, the performance will be excellent.
In general, for the pictures, these were just okay. Not crazy again, dynamic range is good and seeks to retain some details in the shot. So basically this summarizes the device. My experience so far has been okay. For someone looking for a device in this price category, that means you're not a heavy user and you really appreciate this. So if you're a big fan of Vivo phones, you should actually check this out for less than 1,000 Ghana cedis, which I think this is going to be cool for secondary device and the likes. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so you actually get notified when I post a video. Leave in the comment section your view, questions or anything that you'd like to know about this device, as I'm always hanging out with you. Thank you for spending time with me and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.